up.
Twist it?
Yeah, just twist the mango up. Yes, yes.
Look, people. You see this?
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Okay, hi people, welcome back to the channel. That Said TV. It's your girl Diza. Guys, I am so excited today. But first of all, let me start by saying today is Labor Day in Jamaica. Okay, so Labor Day, traditionally on Labor Day, people clean up their community, clean up their environment, help out, different projects going on. However, today, guys, we are under curfew. Yes, the government has locked us down today. So we are under curfew all day. We can't leave our house. We can't go on the road. So we're stuck in the house all day. But I'm so excited because Outlaw has just said, Deezer, come and put on your slippers. We're going in the garden because guess what, people? No, I'm going to show you. In a vlog, I can't remember what vlog it was, but in a couple of vlogs previously, I showed you something in my garden and I was like, I can't wait until I can pick these. Can you guess what it is? I'm going to pick a fruit that is ready. Yeah. So come people, come. I'm so excited. The people, can you see the people? We're ready? Come.
Yes, my peeps.
Wet.
What do you think? Yes, my peeps, I want to tell you that's something I set up this morning. Go around the tree and say, wait, no, sir, babes. The best thing is for babes this morning. I just take a wash out and all them something, put something there. The people. You see it?
Where is it? Here?
Yeah, the first one.
Come and show them.
Go on, the first one. Go.
Come and show them.
That one.
People, can you see?
Look at that, peeps.
This one?
Yes, feel it.
Is it ready?
Right.
Yeah?
Yeah, you don't feel it?
People, come. People, this is my first of all, this is my first time picking a mango off the tree, much less a mango tree in my garden. Hello! And this is a young tree, so this is the first set of mangoes that it's bared.
Yeah, first
So this
set.
one's ready?
That one
Oh
is
my
ready.
gosh. Guys!
Just take your time and pick it, don't make the other one and pick off it.
Alright.
Take your time and pick that, just put that one alone. Twist it, and turn it, twist up.
Twist it?
Yeah, just twist the mango up. Yes, yes.
Look, people.
That's
see
the
this?
first mango from this tree.
First mango from this tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's one. These I get that one.
Yes.
So that give me none. Go share it down. What's a piece of side? No one side now.
What'd you say? I can't hear you. What you say?
I was just asking for a side.
Sorry? What?
Yeah.
Alright, people, a little more. So yes, people, as I've said, it's Labor Day, and Mr. Outlaw has decided he's going to make some... What are you making for us today?
Some chocolate tea.
Chocolate tea.
Originally authentic Jamaican chocolate tea.
Yeah.
That's something there where you can't run a race with. You can't run a race with that something when you sit that tea there.
Yeah.
So that's what I go for this man and Labor Day. Expect a man and give thanks to life. So as I say, good old Jamaican chocolate.
People, it smells so good.
That's something here, people. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
And something we call spice by the side. Something.
AKA nutmeg.
Cannot be nothing. Must be something.
What else you got?
People, another flavor on the side. That's something here. Involved in a lot of things. Cinnamon leaf.
Cinnamon leaf.
Oh
Yeah. I know some people use the powder, which is fine, but we're going to use the cinnamon leaf.
The original. We go from the root of the thing, people.
Yeah.
That's something here. I can't tell you the original thing we use. That's something like that. Dry native coconut.
Yeah.
You only have one people. I mean, I'm going to use it for the something else. I'm going to make it so I go, you know.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you the fullness of what I go. But I'm going to use the coconut for something else. We soon get to that point, but you know the thing, still a swing up.
So today we have to use a little substitute in the coconut milk.
Yes.
But otherwise it would be the fresh coconut.
Yes.
Or we can't go out and buy coconut today because it's, lockdown.
You can't go nowhere, people. We have to stay and do whatever. So we have to turn it on and make fashion.
Yeah, turn your hand, make
Remember
fashion.
that something there?
Yeah.
We grass soup, say, you know.
I hear my mum say it all the time. Turn your hand, make fashion. Okay, what else we got?
Yeah, you got the mango where you just speak not too long. Yeah.
Hello, can you leave my mango alone, please?
I'm asking you to just give me a side of that mango, please. I just ask you.
Alright, yeah.
I don't know your thin skin, man. Just like the mango, but no problem. We can record that.
Alright, what else we got, babes?
Babes, good old original milk, Jamaican.
Condensed milk.
Condensed milk, Betty milk. You remember Betty milk and Nestle's milk? Betty milk and the other one was what? You remember, but 2 minutes went around the place at Jamaica one night time, but we still say better about the place. So a good girl. A good girl. Betty a good girl, man. So I work with Betty and everything, guys. Yeah. Original thing, people. So I said, chocolate tea this morning. I bring you through the whole thing. And you know what things set up. Transparent. Everything, every move I'm going to see that down. And as I'm prayers.
Okay, so what's this step now?
This is the first step. You know, we have all the thing. We put on the water. We have put the maize for the something. Very decent flavour in everything. You know,
so you're going to put that in the water to boil up and infuse.
Along with
the cinnamon leaf.
Cinnamon leaf. You know, that's something they got. So we're going to put 2 leaves.
2 cinnamon leaf.
2 cinnamon.
And the okay, let's show us people.
And the maize.
Okay, so that's the maize from the nutmeg.
Yeah.
And the cinnamon leaf is going to go in a pot of water.
Good.
Boil up and infuse the water, get the flavours going.
So people, as we tell you now, we think transparent, so we're taking along the way with us. Yeah.
So in the water is the cinnamon leaf and the maize from the nutmeg to start with.
Nutmeg, people. Nutmeg.
People, so this is the cinnamon leaf and the nutmeg, the maize of the nutmeg just bubbling up. People, the smell. If you could smell the aroma. Honestly, it smells so good. It smells so good. Okay. So show the people the chocolate. You didn't use all of it, just a piece.
Yeah.
You didn't grate it because it's ready already.
Good. So it's time right now. We put in the boiling water.
Put it in and it will just see it there. It will just melt out.
That's something there. Master God.
You see the colour already?
Yeah. Make it dissolve out.
Yeah. Just make it take its time. People, takes time.
Yes, process people. Yes, so that's how this works. See that? Management. Yes, my people, you know what thing go around the way I swing go. So this thing I don't know this thing have a timing. Time for this, time for that, and time for everything. Watch me now, people. Time for some coconut milk. Right now. Yes, my peeps. You know what thing go.
I'll show the people.
Yes, my peeps. Blessings, my people. I'm going to tell you, state by state. Watch me now. Suck make time. Yes, my people are suck make that.
Show them the nutmeg.
See that? Suck make. You know what I say nutmeg.
So why do you say nutmeg? Let's talk
because
about
it's
that.
something
okay.
very important in anything. Yes, my people, me now.
See the nutmeg there, people? Give it a flavour.
So make people. I blame there.
People, it smells so good. It smells so good.
People know want taste this when it's done. The original, authentic Jamaican chocolate tea. You can ramp with it because that's something I tell about. See there? See, glisten pan top. If you tell about it, watch there now. Yes, the people. Another stage. Watch me.
So what's this now?
Look at that, my babes.
You're going to strain it off now?
Yeah. Strain off that tea there. Watch my babes. You know everything go. See them, my people. Everything that my people.
Alright. So what now?
My people. Another stage. Sweetening.
The pot is full, guys. And of course you can put a little brown sugar if you wish. Okay people, see your tea? Taste test.
Good. Jamaican something we talk about. Real. Take your time with this now. Something there?
It's good.
Real something. Grassroot of this something there. Chocolate tea.
People, it does taste good. It tastes good.
Don't tell me if you want to make tea if you need, I can make tea if you need, peeps. Good that way then. What? Peeps?
See your little piece here.
First
See his
mango.
piece here.
First mango from the tree, peeps. Yeah.
People,
See the peeps? Think that joke? Think that, yeah, you don't know.
Stuck in my teeth back, people. It's good.
The mango is always still good, people. Black mango. Always. It's a must.
People,
Never run from a black mango.
this tastes so good, honestly. You know the best feeling is when you have to pick something from your tree, your own tree, and eat it.
Beautiful feeling.
Yeah. People don't watch me, yeah?
I also want banana. So I tell about them something there.
People, I'm a mess, people.
Oh yeah. You mess?
I'm a mess.
So, girl, you tell us if you get yourself an apron. Or a big. A dribble and maybe too small.
If it's good.
I really think people can't lose that for something there. No, sir. Enjoyment. But you never see mango like that. That's how they still go and keep the skin to run as well. What do you need that one as well?
I'm trying to start on stush.
Yeah, and I'm saying stush, you know. I'm see your shop around this one, you know. But you pick the one yourself this morning and say I have one different kind of enjoyment.
Yeah.
You don't know.
Yeah.
Seriously. My
People
God.
that watch me, I'm a mess. But guys, I hope you've enjoyed this vlog today. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Let me say.
Next time show won't be honest people. I'm going to get our apron. Cover the whole of herself from the front or so. So she good. And as I'm praying the people.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.